ग्लास टूटेगा अभी, सब ग्लास टूटेगा।
Civil authorities and rescue personnel in the UAE have been working around the clock to restore normalcy across the Emirates after heavy rain battered the country last week and left many affected by floods. Help has been pouring in from every quarter, with volunteers driving across the Emirates to assist. In a heartwarming new video, even UAE royals are stepping up to help. In viral video, Dr. Rashid bin Hamid Al Sharki, president of Fujairah Culture and Media Authority, can be seen in rolled up sleeves using a wiper to drain water from an area. With muddy clothes and boots, the UAE royals had no qualm about getting his hands dirty while helping remove damaged items and taking stock of conditions. Al-Sharki is also seen speaking to residents and comforting them as they show him the damage to their homes. Earlier, Sheikh Maktoum bin Hamad bin Muhammad Al-Sharki took to Instagram to share clips of driving around a military vehicle inspecting rescue operation.
ये नहीं टूटता था कभी भी, ये लोग अरे ये लोग जानबूझ के तोड़ रहे हैं यार। फार्मेसी है इनका प्रमोशन नहीं है, फार्मेशन मिलेगा इनको।